So I'm gonna be working up a little concoction here. So I have this empty, well, it's not empty, but this I don't even know what to call these right now. Drawing a brain fart. But yeah, I'm gonna add some grapeseed oil to this, just a little bit, because most of it is gonna be Jamaican black castor oil. So that's good. And then I am going to add tea tree oil because my scalp loves this stuff. I don't have any more peppermint oil, which kind of sucks, but I'm gonna add a little bit of this tea tree oil. That is it. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. I'm going to add some argan oil. This is from Josie Marin. This is expensive, okay? It's a 4B. Tried it. So I'm just gonna add 2 squirts of that. And I have the Ite Hair Food Thickening Growth Enhancer. I'm gonna add a drop of this, or a squeeze full of that. I like that stuff. And then I'm going to use the real Jamaican black castor oil that I got from Jamaica. This is gonna fill the rest of the bottle. Damn, she thick. So you can see how even when mixing the other oils in there, it's still dark as hell. So this stuff, it's alright, but once you use this, it's like crack. You'd be like calling everybody that you know in Jamaica, like, please send me some. I forgot that I also have the lightweight deep moisturizing hair gloss from Ite, so I'm gonna do a few drops of that because this has some good stuff in it. Olive oil, rosemary, bergamot, clary sage, and vitamin E in here. That's all that's in there, so put a little bit of that in there. And then I'm going to shake this up if I can. I think the bottle is too full to shake it, but I'll try. And that is it. That is what I am using to go ahead and seal my hair and also apply to my scalp. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for the next video, which will go up after this, which is going to be me showing you guys how I moisturize and seal my hair, and I'm going to be using this that I just made today to go ahead and seal my hair. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.